Participating in critiques of each other's work is a vital aspect of any art and design class. Not only does it allow for receiving valuable feedback on one's own work, but it also provides the opportunity to see what others are creating and potentially gather inspiration. However, in order to offer constructive criticism and avoid causing any harm, it's important to follow certain guidelines when discussing art. Share a lot and describe what you see. Be objective. Instead of saying, I like it, focus on design principles like size, contrast, and color. Be part of the feedback machine. The more feedback you can get, the better your work can become. Respect one another. If you're going to say something negative, say something positive too. This is called the Oreo cookie effect. And remember, it's not about you. Rather than focusing on what you would have done, offer concrete suggestions. For every project, you'll submit a self-assessment. There's a Word template included in each file upload area on Canvas for you that looks like this. It guides you in introducing your work with a title, listing descriptive adjectives, and summarizing the project. You're asked to write about any revisions made after receiving feedback and evaluate your overall experience, addressing challenges encountered and lessons learned throughout the design process. Hopefully, this week's assignment should be pretty straightforward. You should have submitted a photo collage for the historical tourist exercise, and now you're going to make it move using Photoshop's animation tools, which are pretty limited. Professional animators usually don't use Photoshop, especially if they're outputting video, but working with limited tools can force you to make interesting decisions. We also need to hone our Photoshop skills somehow, and because GIFs are images and not videos, this is a good tool for the job. Make sure to review the links on the assignment page. Cutting out an element from one photo and having it move in a linear path across another photo is the bare minimum here. I want to see complex layer blending, distorting images, adjustment layers, or other nuanced manipulations. You'll submit a GIF to the discussion boards so we can see everyone's work, and then next week you'll comment on other people's submissions and revise your own for a final submission. Remember, you can contact me with any questions.